As I told all your other partners, you can't be nervous when you're talking money. But I would actually bring some more up. Oh, sorry. See, you got me nervous. Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, ready to do this?
Hi, I'm Tadeo Yorinde. I'm the Chancellor and founder at Campus. Campus is a new kind of college experience that we designed specifically for ambitious and hungry young people who want to learn from the best professors in the country, but with a more tactical and hands-on class experience and not go into debt. We're here to help young people discover their purpose and give them the tools that they need to make their dreams a reality. And we're here in Austin, Texas, because we're hosting our first annual business plan competition. So we've got 8 different teams of students from all over the country, and they're all business majors here at Campus, learning how to transform their big ideas into real businesses. Over the last few months, they've been enrolled in our Applied Entrepreneurship class taught by Professor Rick, who also teaches at UC Berkeley. And they've basically learned 1, what's a good business idea, 2, what's a good business plan, and 3, what's a good business pitch. And this isn't just any other classroom project. No, and they're pitching for real prize money. First place will take home $20,000 and the golden term sheet. Second place wins $8,000 and third secures $2,000. They'll be trying to win over some of the most influential business minds in America, starting with Joe Lonsdale, co-founder of Palantir and 8VC, Shaquille O'Neal, business mogul and obviously NBA legend, Jennifer Hyman, founder and CEO of Rent the Runway, and Poppy Thorpe, former head of brand at Glossier and board member at Snap. So this is real stakes, real opportunity. I think they're nervous, but they have everything that it takes to succeed.
I'm Ashley Byington. I'm from Boise, Idaho. What I found and the reason why campus is so special to me, I'm getting this incredibly high quality knowledge from these professors at universities that I would never be able to afford otherwise.
I'm Caleb Udell. I'm from Chicago, Illinois. So this is my second semester at campus. Coincidentally, I joined because I saw an ad of Shaq and Tade on social media, and I saw that and I was like, okay, I'll give this school a try.
My name is Allison Strandquist. I come from Gilbert, Arizona. I love photographing scenery, and I also love photographing my animals. 2 dogs, so a mini Aussie and a border collie.
My name is Marquise. I'm from California.
My name is Evelyn Rose, and I am from Texas. I'm 9 months pregnant right now. I've been having contractions while we're here.
My name is Aaliyah Sarai Tate. I'm from Corona, California. I feel definitely better. I'm trying to not be as nervous as when I first came, but I feel like my confidence is definitely building as I'm working with mentors and even Tade.
I'm Clayton White. I'm from Fort Worth, Texas. Way too hot here. I'd rather be in a colder state. You work with what you got.
I am Alexia Arkaboyajan. Campus to me has not only been a career saver, it has been something so innovative and challenges systems. And I love a good rebel and challenge energy.
My name is Lucina Casillas. I'm from Jalisco, Mexico. Yeah, this class has been very life-changing in a sense. I now have first-hand experience in founding a business. I now have the connections to work in the real world. It's been incredible.
Welcome everyone to the first annual business plan competition here at campus. This is the culmination of months and months of work. I'm Chancellor Tade. I'm here with Professor Rick. He's a professor at UC Berkeley who also teaches at campus. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what students have been up to for the last 3 months?
It's a course called Applied Entrepreneurship. What we're doing is we're putting students through the journey, not just from an academic perspective, from a very practical perspective. We're building out early stage companies. Students then came through with an application, a presentation to apply for the program. We selected the top 8.
You all know the deal. 8 teams pitch, you choose the top 3, then a lightning round will decide who takes home the top prize. Let's go ahead and get started.
Soundmate is a revolutionary app that will match the worlds of dating and music streaming. Our competitors, they're basing their matches on things based like height, weight, and personal appearance. Those things are things that Soundmate will not base their algorithm on. You take your last played song, and we match you with people in the area who have also played that song, because music is a love language.
I'd like to introduce you guys to Bluebird, which is a photography app built to sit there and help those aspiring photographers that are just getting started. Imagine that you guys have an event coming up, something happens last minute and the company falls out on you. How do you guys go ahead and get a last minute photographer out? Our company is essentially going to be the Uber of photography.
Well, I'm Clayton White. I'm here to introduce Tall Threads Clothing, a brand dedicated to creating versatile yet comfortable clothing for tall men. The big problem, finding clothes that fit well and look good, is a pretty big struggle for tall men like me. So the market opportunity for this, there's 3.3 million men over 6'4". The market size for this is about $2.6 billion. So you pick out up to 3 items on our website, and then whatever you don't like, you send back risk-free.
But a year ago, at 20 years old, I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis, and my life changed. Leah Sarai Lingerie is more than a lingerie brand. It became a way to reclaim who I am as a woman. We offer a monthly subscription box for women to receive a box of lingerie straight through their door in 3 items of lingerie.
We'll help you show them. Okay.
How are you gonna model this
It's a very
dress?
mock style. It's a very mock version, definitely not the final product.
Gen Z is lost. We're the pandemic generation, and we need help finding a direction and setting goals and ultimately overcoming these challenges in life. I introduced Next Step, a personalized platform that helps select resources for each user's goals and their challenges. We also give access to work with a life coach one-on-one. Next Step is ultimately more than just its platform. It is a lifestyle.
We're here today to introduce our Sparky products, which are AI-assisted devices to be able to track their daily lifestyle from their wake to sleep cycles, their BPMs and everything. We want to be able to bring that collected data to be able to see their fluctuations from manias to depressions, to hopefully be able to treat them better.
I pick my skin due to anxiety. This is my aromatherapy fidget necklace that I created that incorporates fidgeting and aromatherapy. Our target audience is young adults, and we want to help them with their anxiety management. So this is why we combined jewelry with aromatherapy to help calm our nerves.
Schools are teaching these very theoretical concepts of science, technology, and math, but leaving students unaware of career opportunities and lacking the vital skills they need to succeed. So I want to introduce to you Forward Path, a one-stop shop for the best career and technical education, curriculum, resources, and materials. Our solutions consultants, they do a program evaluation. They find out what they need and they give a Forward Path recommendation to create that complete solution. And there's over $1 billion in federal funding that's going directly to these schools. And we at Forward Path are uniquely positioned because we've created a centralized solution that streamlines the procurement and enhances the program's success. So I would love to invite you to join me, and let's equip students for the next path in their careers.
Thank you.
Alrighty, and that wraps round 1. Judges, now it's over to you to decide who's moving forward.
I like Kaylin, because I have a weird taste of music. So if you're 52 and you like white guy classics, we can definitely date. No, seriously.
I like weird music, but I'm not so sure like everyone. I guess I never thought about meeting people based on that. That's interesting.
What weird music are you into?
I don't know, like ancient Celtic battle horns, Beethoven.
See? Marquise and Evelyn, Sparky AI.
I'm a little unclear about what the device is going to do, because you listed 15 different things.
Yeah, I think hardware and focusing.
Yeah, they got focused more narrow, do some software. I think the start would be our bias. It's just tough.
I want to bring up Lucina. I think it's actually a great idea. I think it's an untapped market. I think anxiety is a much bigger market than people give it credit for.
There's a straightforward nature to it that I think like gives me a lot of hope that she'll be able to at least find some market to really get the product into.
Oh, Allison, Bluebird Photography, Uber for photography.
It's a tough marketplace to get going. I love that she has that passion, and she's clearly a great photographer, but I think understanding how marketplaces get seeded and get going.
I like Ashley. Ashley was good.
Well, she was one of them that had great stage presence.
I think Ashley clearly knows her area really well, but it's a tough area, like we said.
What do we think about Aaliyah with the lingerie?
I like the story, man. Like, you know, the story captivated my mind from the beginning, and then she was real calm and good. But again, I don't know anything about lingerie.
Well, I think we're all really impressed by Alexia, right? I think she's clearly one of the stars. So
you said you'd hire her.
I have no idea whether her idea is a good one or whether she could create that marketplace, but I think that I know that I believe in her.
Got it.
Excellent.
Let's do it. And I want to say I'm proud of you all. I wish I would have had this lesson when I was coming in. You use the word expert. I'm not an expert. I'm what you call lucky. I see the work that you all put in. But again, my only advice to you guys, and I'm gonna say it to everybody, when you're talking to the money, you can never be nervous. So don't practice 10 times, practice 100 times. No matter who we pick or who we don't pick, never let that hinder your success. Or because before you succeed, you must first learn to fail.
And I love the passion for the ideas, the fact that so many of them came from personal experiences or things that are important to you. That's what actually keeps you going, because being an entrepreneur is so hard, and the only thing that will keep you resilient is the fact that there's a personal mission and something that you care about. If it's just about being an entrepreneur or making money, you're gonna quit when it gets hard.
True words. You all have worked your butts off. Professor Rick and I are both very proud of you as campus students. This has been an amazing experience. We're so eager to help you pursue your purpose. But there can only be 3 that move forward. And they are. Oh, wow.